Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this. You open Windows Security, expecting everything to be fine. But instead you are greeted with this message. Secure boot is on, but your device is using an older boot trust configuration. Now you are probably wondering, is my PC at risk? Has something gone wrong after a Windows update? And more importantly, how do I actually fix this warning? The confusing part is that Windows simply gives you a learn more button instead of a proper solution. So naturally, many users start searching online and end up finding different answers, some of which are not even correct. In today's video, I will explain exactly what this warning means, why Microsoft is showing it now, and most importantly, I will walk you through the official method to resolve it. So let's get started. Before jumping into the solution, let's quickly understand what Secure Boot actually does. Think of Secure Boot as a security guard standing at the entrance of your computer. Every time your PC powers on, and this security guard checks every important boot file before Windows starts. If an unknown or modified boot file tries to load itself into memory, Secure Boot blocks it immediately. This protects your computer from dangerous boot level malware like rootkits and bootkits that try to attack Windows before antivirus software even starts. For years, Windows has relied on an older set of trusted secure boot certificates. Recently, Microsoft introduced a newer trust configuration that includes updated secure boot certificates for better long-term security. If your computer is still using the previous configuration, Windows displays this warning to let you know an update is required. The good news is, in most cases, your PC is still working normally. This warning simply means your system hasn't completed the transition to Microsoft newer Secure Boot Trust configuration. So now let's fix it. Before updating anything, let's first confirm that Secure Boot is actually enabled. Press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32 and then press enter. The system information window will open. Now on the right side, look for Secure Boot State. If it says on, that's perfect. You can continue with this tutorial. But if it says off, then you will be first need to enable Secure Boot from your BIOS or UEFI settings. Without Secure Boot enabled, Windows cannot apply the newer trust configuration correctly. First, open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates. If Windows finds any updates, install everything, including optional security updates if they are available. Don't skip security updates or cumulative updates. Microsoft is rolling out the new Secure Boot certificate through Windows Update for many supported devices. So this is the most important step. After the updates finish installing, restart your computer. Since my computer was already up to date, I am not restarting it here. But if you install a new update, you must restart it. This restart is important because Windows may need to update the boot manager during startup. In some cases, Windows may require more than one restart before all secure boot changes are fully applied. Once Windows start again, check whether the warning has disappeared. If it has, congratulations. You don't need to do anything else. If the warning is still there, continue with the next steps. Here's something many people miss. Go back to Settings. Then Windows Update. After that, Advanced Options. Now click on Optional Updates. If Windows shows firmware updates or additional system updates, install those as well. Since no updates are showing here, I cannot show them to you. But if updates are showing on your computer, you must install the updates. Those updates often contain fixes released by your computer manufacturer. Many laptops receive secure boot improvement through optional updates rather than regular Windows updates. After installing them, restart your computer again. If the warning still remains, your motherboard firmware may not yet support the latest secure boot certificates. To check this, press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32 and press enter. In the system information window, note down system manufacturer, system model and BIOS version. Now visit your PC or motherboard manufacturer's official support website. Search using your exact model number. If there's a newer BIOS or UEFI firmware available, install it by following the manufacturer's instructions. Many manufacturers have released firmware updates that prepare systems for Microsoft 2023 Secure Boot certificates. Note: never turn off your computer while a BIOS update is in progress. Interrupting the update could make your system unbootable. Now let's check whether everything worked. Open Windows Security. Now go to Device Security. Now look under Secure Boot. If the warning has disappeared, congratulations. Your system is now using Microsoft's update Secure Boot Trust configuration. What if the warning is still showing? Don't panic. Some computer manufacturers are still rolling out firmware updates for older systems. If your device already has the latest Windows updates and the latest BIOS installed, you may simply need to wait until your manufacturer releases a compatible firmware update. Your PC will usually continue to boot and receive normal Windows updates, but updating to the newer Secure Boot certificates is recommended for future boot security improvements. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe our channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.